Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'm gonna show you this gulab jamun mixture. Everything has been mixed in it, whatever is required to make these amazing balls of gulab jamuns. And this is from a brand known as Bambino. And this product is since, camera please zoom and tell them, 1982. So this brand started in 1982 and it's a pure vegetarian, as this green dot and the square box signifies that it's pure veg. What else is written over here? A perfect blend of traditional taste and convenience. So it's very convenient to make it. I'll tell you the instruction which they have mentioned over here, direction for use, what all we need to do. And I must tell you, they have mentioned in Hindi as well as in English and some other regional languages of India, like Tamil something, I don't know the exact. Apart from that, many of my viewers are asking for the price also, that what is the price. So this packet I purchased from India and the MRP which is written is 85 rupees.
$1 approximately.
Approximately bit more than $1. And ingredients which are used in making this product are mentioned over here, like refined wheat flour and skim milk powder, sodium and all, everything like that. Nutritional information is mentioned. And what else it's an Indian product, that is also mentioned over here. What is the quantity? 170 gram is mentioned over here. So the pack size is 170 gram. Product of India, contain wheat ingredient and milk solids. So this is what it's written in the package. Now I'm going to open one and show you how it will come to. I'll get a plate and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So it's a pure powder form. You can see it's a very soft powder. The lumps are not there, it's soft. You can easily mash, and you need to mash it with water. The instruction is written over here that you have to mix it with 1/4 of water as per the quantity, and make a dough. Do not knead the dough, and make small balls and put it in ghee or vanaspati oil, any oil whichever you use at your home, and then stir it till it turns brown, and then remove it and then put it in a sugar syrup. So this is the method which they have mentioned. So it's very simple. So friends, go and try this. I'll show you at the end whether how it comes when I made it. So thank you friends, bye bye.